Hi everyone, in today's video we learn about arc command. Now for the same, if you just click on the left side of the screen where it states arc, just press downwards and you'll see there are so many ways to use this command. So I'll start one by one, but before I start, I'll tell you the shortcut key of this command is A enter. But since there are many ways to use it, so rather than clicking the shortcut key, I'll start using it from here. So first I'll use it with 3 points. So it says specify start point, then the center point, and then the end point. So this is how the arc looks. Next is start, center, end. So it's start, center, and end. Start, center, angle. Start, center. Now you just have to press angle. Next option is start, center, length to make an arc. So click start point, then give center point, then it's asking for the length, how long you want this arc to be. So I'll input the value 5 feet. So this is how it is done with this method. Now I'll pick another one, that is start, end, and angle. First point, end point, and then angle. So let's say I'll input 50. So that's how the arc looks. Now it's start, end, direction. Start, end. Now it says direction, in which direction you want. I'll say I want this arc to be in the right hand side. So I'll press here. So this is how my arc looks. And in case if you want to stretch it downwards, just stretch it a bit. Next is start, end, radius. Start point, end point. Now it's asking for the radius. So I'll input the radius as 4 feet. I'll again input it. Start, end. Now it's asking for the radius. So this is how it looks. So now I'll start with center, start, and end. See, the methods are same, but the only thing is start and end points get changed. So I'll take this center, start, and end. Center, start, and this is my end point. So this is how it appears on the screen. Next is center, start, and angle. Center, start, and angle. Let's say the angle is 30 degrees. So this is how my arc looks. Moreover, all the methods are same. It's just that only start and end point differs. Now this is center, start, length. Center, start. It's asking for the length. So let's try to give it 12 feet. So this is my arc of 12 feet. The last option is continue. See, when you press this option, the point where you left with, it will automatically start the arc from the same point. So this is how the continuous option works. So these all are ways to make arc command by using the options available on the tab.